Hello everyone and welcome to Video Content Creation. I am Turbo the Tech Nerd, where we take all of your audio, video, and lighting problems and turn them into solutions and opportunities where you can make your YouTube videos better. In this here video today, we're going to show you the unboxing of the Shure SM58. Now, this is the broadcast standard in microphones. I shouldn't say the broadcast standard. This is the live performance standard. And it is absolutely exactly what it says, a legendary vocal microphone. Today we're going to unbox it and we're going to test it out a little bit. So we hope that you'll stay tuned for this. And if you haven't subscribed already, you probably should, because in our next few videos, we're going to have Rob Laidlaw, who's famed for being the bass player for Platinum Blonde, Kim Mitchell, Lana Miles, and a host of other big Canadian bands. And if that's not amazing enough for you, Rob's been kind enough. He's going to also come over and test out 5 different microphones. We're going to be testing the Shure SM58. We're going to be testing the Shure PG48, one of the less expensive versions of the Shure microphones. We're going to be testing this here microphone, the Shure SM7B. We're going to be testing a cheap karaoke microphone. And we're also going to be testing the Rode Pod mic. Stay tuned for that because we're going to give it away in that video. If you haven't subscribed, it's a good time to start now. Without further ado, here we go with the SM58 unboxing. Let's check this bad boy out. See what we get in the box. So here it is. Oh, fancy white box under the black box. That's pretty common. Everybody does that. Apologize for any extra noise that this makes. Here's what we're going to get in the box. So we've got the instruction manual. That should be pretty easy to throw away. We've got, one of the wire straps. I find these things handy for a whole bunch of different things, actually, these Velcro straps. We've got the warranty. We've also got the Shure sticker. I might find a spot to put that. We have some other safety instructions. Oh, and then, of course, we have the version of something, some kind of addendum. And what's in the box? Well, we get the Shure mic holder. These things are very handy. And these things tend to be really specific to the microphone. I have like 5 or 6 of these. And for the most part, they work best on the microphone that they were designed for. I've been able to use them pretty much on any mic, but these are very important because you don't want your mic falling off and getting a big dent in it like my PG48 that you'll see in a later video. And here we go. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, what else do we get? Oh, we get the little wallet for holding the microphone, a microphone bag. And let's get this box right out of the way. Oh, yeah. Now that right there is a beautiful microphone. I like it. I can tell you right off the hop that just taking it out of the box, this feels like a very solid microphone. The switch is very engaging. We'll find out if that makes any noise turning it on and off when we start recording with it. It's actually a little bit smaller than my PG48. Here's the PG48. You can see that the head on it is a little bit smaller. And you can see the damage here to the PG48. This thing's been through the war. And the SM58 is also a little bit thinner. I'm not sure if that camera can pick that up, but it's definitely a little bit thinner. The build quality is a lot nicer. It's got the matte black, or almost gray actually, compared to the gloss black on the PG48. So let's plug it in and see how it sounds. Okay, so here I am with the Shure SM58. This is with the mic virtually flat, and when I mean virtually flat, the only thing I adjusted was the noise floor and the gain control to bring it up to about -12 to -10 dB, which is pretty much the norm so that it doesn't overmodulate or distort or anything like that. And this is the way that it sounds. And this is straight out of the box, relatively flat. You have to tell me, do you like the sound of it? It does have some pretty significant sound rejection when I turn the mic. You'll notice even just turning it slightly, it's getting very low. And from the back side, its noise rejection is just ridiculous. And as I bring it closer to my face, there is a proximity effect, and you'll notice that artists use this to their advantage a lot of times when they're doing a long note, and they'll pull away from the mic to turn the volume down on their own. And that's kind of how they like to work things when they're singing. You'll see them pull the mic away from their face as they're singing. And that is the Shure SM58. Is this mic right for you? I don't know. But in a future video, I've got Rob Laidlaw coming on here, like I mentioned, and he's going to sing with this microphone and 4 others to try and compare it. I'm going to leave a link for this in the description below if you choose to buy it. It is an Amazon affiliate link, and it does help to support the channel if you click the link. Anything you buy within the 24 hours after clicking the link, we will get a small percentage for. So we do appreciate you helping to support the channel in that way. If you haven't subscribed and you found this video interesting in any way to find out if this mic is right for you, I would definitely appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and throw any comments below. I love to read the comments where you're talking about the particular video that we're doing, or other videos or video ideas, anything like that. I really do like that kind of stuff, and I do try to respond to absolutely everybody who throws a comment there. So we are trying to grow the channel, so the like and subscribe is very important to me, but more importantly is that you watch entire videos and, of course, comment. Comments keep me going. Thanks for watching. Turbo out. I just want to take this special opportunity to say absolutely thank you to some of our new subscribers. Owen, sorry I missed you in some of the other videos. I'm just getting used to this kind of stuff, so I apologize for not mentioning you sooner. Mr. Home Inspection, Wally, thank you so much. Gary V is not one of my subscribers, but I wish he was one of my subscribers. I'm not sure if this is Rattin Matten, or Ran Man, but thank you for subscribing. Valiant K, thanks for always being here and watching the videos. Aiden Reed, thank you so much. 972 Nigel. Of course, my buddy Reggie Brown, famous for his Obama impressions. Randy DeMitt, thank you for being here. Inspectigator, thanks for being here. John Bolton. Marco Morales of Morales Home Inspections. Hank Richter. Savage Man Boss. Grady 5251. Somebody else, can't read their name, unfortunately. B. Scheckenberger, thank you for subscribing. Alexander Fisher, thank you for subscribing. Kat, thank you so much. Kat's Keys. Alex Petite. Thanks for everybody for subscribing and joining the channel. We're up to 119 subscribers now, so we were able to get a custom link, and it's all because of you. So if you want me to mention you in my next video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to mention you and talk to you further. Look forward to your comments.